Hello, welcome to this video. In today's video, we're going to cover DJI Flyhub 2, DJI Dock 1, and DJI Dock 2 major firmware update in the first quarter of 2024. So let's see what's the major updates on Flyhub 2 and Dock. So in this update, we have four parts of the whole update. The first one is about aircraft control, second, payload control, and we will also have fly route and a dock management update. So we'll see some of the features will coming soon, but the current one, we will see that the POI Orbit features only supporting Dock 1, and for the ready to fly mode and altitude setting optimizations features only supporting Dock 2. And another thing is about the slope route, which is under fly route update. So in this one, only M3E and M3T support this function, but it will be supported in Dock 2 in the future. So let's see all the features one by one. Before that, please always remember that you can find all the details in Flyhub 2 User Manual, and you can always find this User Manual on your Flyhub 2, or you can always click this website to find the user manual of Flyhub 2. Let's see the first features, multi-docks. So now we can support takeoff and landing in different docks. It can be supported in a long distance linear like inspections or patrol missions. But now it only works for mission flight, so which means you cannot use that with the manual flight. How to use that function? So you can find all the settings on the task plan. So you see on the right side, you can select the dock for takeoff and the dock for landing. Before that, you can always select the task type, single dock or multi-dock. It's planned released in June, so we'll see that function in June. Let's see a video talking about this function. So you'll see that you can select dock A taking off and dock B landing, and in that case you always need to select different dock devices. So and all the settings are exactly the same, so you can start a mission. Once you click that, you will have two docks here, and you can see the aircraft is normal state, standby mode. Try to speed up. Okay, it's taking off from the dock A. And then you go through all the waypoint missions until to the dock 2. And follow the fly route. It's a inspection tower, like power line or tower inspection mission. So this is the view of the aircraft. Okay, right now it's trying to estimate the batteries to see if it can support to landing in dock 2. Yeah, it seems like not support, so it's go through dock 2 in charging. And it's land to the second dock, which is dock B. Yeah, next feature. It's also a video. Let's see the feature first and then see the video. So up the update is called flight to target and ready to fly mode. So the update we update the flight to target, which means you can change the target during the task in real time without waiting the drone reach out to the target and then change. So let's see the video here. You see the first target is here. So the aircraft are gonna fly to the here, but during the flight, you can always change to another flight function. Sorry, target. It will just change to the next target directly without fly to the previous one and then go to the next one. So this is the new function called fly to target update flight to target. Another one for Dock 2, ready to fly mode. So in this one, once you obtain aircraft, no matter you're taking off or not, the aircraft's going to be powered on. So it reduces the preparing time before the taking off. It's kind of ready to fly mode for Dock 2. Next one, like I said, the POI Orbit function are currently support Dock 1 only. So you will see there's we can right now support select any location or pinpoint on the map and start a POI task when DJI Dock is in the live flight control mode, which means you need to obtain the flight control first. Then you can select a location or a pinpoint and start a POI. But it's not supporting Dock 2, but it will support Dock 2 soon. Next about payload control. So there's some videos. We will go through the features and then check the videos. So we have gimbal control, so some detailed control of the gimbal. Like double click on a live streaming view to center the view and around click the point, and also you can use the drag the live streaming view or use the keyboard. And also subject zoom, so press and hold the right mouse button and select the subject to zoom in. So also you have some camera settings on FlyHub 2. So all this UI gonna show on FlyHub 2. Let's see the video one by one. So this is how you do the gimbal control, and you see there's some settings of your gimbal. Yeah, that's all the gimbal control. So you can try under your FlyHub 2 and then subject to use the mouth to click it and zoom. Yep, continue to zoom. Yeah, that's the payload control function. So next is the thermal measurement. So right now we can have a camera parameters, and you can also have the temperature measurement. So right, you can set the alarm. So like here's the one higher temperature alarm. So you can always set a higher temperature alarm, setting the time, setting the temperature by yourself, and also you can measure the current temperature. So support point temperature measurement and area temperature measurement. And also if you click this button to enable the area temperature measurement and adjust or drag the temperature measurement frame to change its size or location. So all this, but always remember all these settings of your like operations, you always needed to obtain a payload control first. Next, we're gonna go through the dock management. So right now we have 3 updates. So the first one is a view the fly trajectory. So you can, this means like you will have more details of your flight history. So such as the equipment SN number, start or finish time, all this. Let's see the video here. So we will have a new button, so you can check the previous mission. Everything. You see aircraft in the bottom, aircraft, start time, end time, last updated, and total flight distance, or total flight duration. So all this information you can always check. Another one is a trail flight. So right now, once you deploy the dock, you don't need it to create a new mission like waypoint mission and get at least 2 waypoints and try the fly mission. No, currently you can just use the trail flight. So click the trail flight and confirm the settings of the task like here, and then the dock aircraft will up to 60 meters vertically, and the gimbal will like tilt down to 90 degree to take a photo and then return home. So this is a fast and easy way to see if the dock is deployed successful. So which is very useful for the dock deployment. Also right now we can unlock the license. It is supported to upload the unlock certification on FH2 remotely to do the unlocking license, I'm sorry. Another one is the slope route. So let's see the video here. So currently it only supports M3E to do that, and it will be supported in the Dock 2 in the future. So you can create a map mission for building facade. Any users can create a slope route, sync the mission to DJI Pilot 2, and let M3E to execute. So before creating a slope route, users can perform a map mission for the target area to obtain a rough mode. So that depends on you. So you see that's the video of that, and let's just see the second video. So you just select the area you want to do the slope route, and you can so go through all the settings, make sure your all the areas covered, and make sure your fly route, make sure the area you want, and also make sure the speed, taking off altitude, something, the settings. Yeah, okay, that's it. That's for today's update. Thank you.